In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the time spent with a person in Google Calendar. Whether you're trying to track your interactions for personal reasons or manage your professional relationships more effectively, Google Calendar offers a simple and efficient way to do that. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to Google Calendar. You can do this by typing Google Calendar into your preferred search engine and selecting the first link. Once you're there, you'll be prompted to sign in. Click on the Sign In button and enter your Google account credentials. This step is essential as it allows you to access your personalized calendar and synced events. Once logged in, it's crucial to switch to the correct calendar view to see your scheduling clearly. You can choose between the day, week, or month view. These options are generally located at the top right corner, and selecting one gives you a clearer picture of your schedule. By doing this, you'll have an easier time seeing all meetings and events you have scheduled with the person you're interested in. Next, direct your attention to the top of the Google Calendar page where you'll find the search bar. Click on it to start your search. Enter the name or email of the person you want to analyze. Google Calendar will then filter through your events and display only those that include the person you've searched for. This is a highly efficient way to isolate all the relevant appointments and gatherings. Once you have this filtered view, you'll want to calculate the total time spent with the individual. To do this, open each event in the filtered list to see its duration. You'll need to manually add up the hours and minutes specified in each event. This step might take a little bit of effort, especially if there are numerous meetings, but it's worth the insight you'll gain. Now, if you're looking for a faster, more automated approach and you're using Google Workspace, you might consider utilizing Google Calendar Insights. Check for the Time Insights option in the left panel of your calendar. This feature provides a more straightforward breakdown of the time spent with specific people, automatically calculating it for you. It's a wonderful time saver, but do keep in mind that it's available only for Workspace accounts and not for free Gmail users. By following these steps, you'll have a better understanding of how much time you dedicate to interactions with specific individuals, and you can use this data to make more informed decisions about your time management. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.